Hi all, how are you going today? I have started a new tutorial for learning Python for beginners, so if you are interested, you are in the right video. Follow me and learn. So let's start with the first lesson, to learn basics. Okay, now in general in coding we have two types of data, variable and constant. Variable, which mean we can change the value anytime, but constant is unchangeable. So in variable in Python we have three basic types: integer and string and float. Let's see it. So the first type that we say is integer. Integer means natural numbers. So let's say the second type is string, which means a sequence of characters. And the third type is float, which means logical operation like true or false. Okay, now I will show to you a simple code that we will use many times, and it is a basic code, which is print. We use this code to display something in the to display something. So we use it like this, print, and we open two parentheses and two of this, and we write here two parentheses, and we write here what we want. If you run it, and you write here what you want. So first, what you want to see is, let's create a new variable, and integer variable. Let's say that a is equal to 55, and now let's say and check the type. To check it, let's write print, and here we use the code type to know the type of a variable. Let's say type, and we write the name of the variable, and let's run the code. So it's display class int, so it is integer. So now let's say see the second type. Let's create a new variable, is b, and let's say is equal to a string. Let's say hello. We define the string with two of this, and now let's check the type with print type of b, and let's run the code. So it's displays string str, which means string. And the third type is float. Let's create a new float, and let's say c is equal to true, and let's check the type by writing print type, and the name of the variable is c. So it's boolean. It's a boolean type. And now you can in Python use mathematic operation in integer. So you can write a is equal to 55, and let's add 20, and subtracted by 2, and let's print the result, print a. So let's see if it's work or not. So it's 73, so it's right. I say that the third type is float, but I am false. I have made a mistake. It is boolean. Float is another type of variable. We will see it later. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share for more videos. Thanks for watching.